8th of October reminds us of unfateful day of 8th October 2005 when we had lost heavy in lives, livestock, infrastructure and major services to the communities in the north of Pakistan. It reminds us not only of the day when we had suffered great losses, but it also tells a great story of Pakistan's resilience, the nation which came together to help all those in need, all those who had lost their lives, homeland, their services, livestock and livelihood. We recovered very early from there, and it also showcased that how hard the times may be, the Pakistan nation has always come equivalent to the task and helped the people in the stress. From 2005 till today, Pakistan's history is checkered with exposures to similar kind of natural calamities, whether they were in the form of the floods of 2010, 2014, 16, 18 and then 22, or the abnormal exposures to the monsoons, which had also claimed significant losses and impacts in lives and livestock. We had also lost our major infrastructure in the process, and while we were recovering from one disaster, we were often exposed to another disaster in waiting. So these repeated exposures to unprecedented and frequented disasters, they taught us two basic lessons. One, it is very important and critical for every country to stand on its own feet because the global donors fatigue is also setting in. People are finding it difficult to support or fund every disaster in every corner or part of the world. All zones today are being challenged, threatened and impacted by these disasters, one after the other. Whether it is developing country or the developed world, both have been exposed to disasters much beyond proportions. Now this debate of exposures to the climate change or the climate disasters is taking us to a place where we need to have a very serious debate around the world. Pakistan's lessons from the floods of 2022 taught us that we need to have a very assured, credible, early warning capability to tell us before time what we may face in the times or the years to come. Because if we know these disasters early warning before time, we will then be able to direct our nation, the responsibles, the responders or the people who are going to be impacted, that how we can reduce losses and we can also save lives. This also triggered our formulation of a very proactive disaster management policies and the system in Pakistan. We are very thankful to Allah Almighty that He has enabled us to develop National Emergencies Operations Center and also retransform our national disasters management approach from erstwhile reactive to more proactive today. Today, Pakistan's system of proactive disaster management not only is a guidelines for our provinces and our other responders inside Pakistan, but it also showcases lots of doable templates for our friendly partners in the regions or across the world. Pakistan has over time shared this experience and the method of proactive disaster management, which is very, very significantly able to not only reduce losses but also save lives. We have learned from these years of experiences, and now we are able to further mature our responses in time, and we will reach out to our provinces, our communities and our people, the communities in the most remotest areas of Pakistan, to tell them that how they must live. What are the areas to be permanently vacated, because these are the permanent vulnerable areas which may be triggering monsoons, flood impacts, flash floods in time. We are also reaching out to communities to not only tell them through our mobile applications, but we are also taking it at a very national responsibility that we keep interacting with our provinces, with the military, non-military responders, NGOs, and call them in NUOC of Pakistan NDMA. And let's discuss the methodologies which can save further Pakistan from these damages. Today, at the Resilience Day of Pakistan, on 8th of October, every year, we reiterate our promises of getting more prepared, getting responsive, comply to the instructions which have been foremost in the disaster management, that's so in the proactive disaster management mode. And inshallah, in time, we will also showcase that Pakistan is able to not only withstand the challenges on its own steam, but it's also capable of projecting its readiness in a way that it is no more most vulnerable country in the world. Allah Pak may be kind, and Pakistan Zindabad.